What if I told you that your imagination holds the key to turning your wishes into reality? Have you ever wished for something so deeply that it almost felt real? Maybe it's that dream job, a fulfilling relationship, or an opportunity that could change your life. Today, we're diving into a powerful technique that can help you manifest your desires. Imagining something 100 times to make it real. This concept is rooted in the law of attraction, a principle that suggests our thoughts and beliefs directly impact what we experience in life. By focusing on positive outcomes, we can attract those very outcomes into our reality. But how does this really work? Our thoughts aren't just random, fleeting ideas. They have power. The human brain can create vivid experiences that feel as real as the physical world around us. When you imagine something intensely and repeatedly, your brain starts processing those thoughts as if they're already happening. This is why athletes use visualization to improve their performance, and why mental rehearsal can be as effective as physical practice in many cases. The 100 times technique takes advantage of this same concept. By imagining your desired outcome 100 times, you're essentially programming your mind to believe in and work toward that goal. So why does this work? It all comes down to something called neuroplasticity. Our brains are incredibly adaptable. When you repeat a thought or action over and over, your brain strengthens the neural pathways connected to that idea. That's how habits are formed and how we can reshape our beliefs and expectations. Now, let's walk through how to put the 100 times technique into practice. Start with a specific goal. Vague wishes like, "I want to be happy," are harder to manifest than clear goals like, "I want to start my own business," or "I want to buy my dream home." Once you have your goal, create a vivid mental picture of it. Imagine not just how it looks, but how it feels to achieve it. What emotions are you experiencing? What do you hear, smell, or touch in that moment? The more detailed and sensory-rich your visualization, the more powerful it will be. Set aside time each day for this practice. You can do all 100 visualizations in one sitting, or spread them out throughout the day. Consistency is key. Just like brushing your teeth or having breakfast, make it a daily habit. As you practice, your visualizations will become more vivid and believable over time. You may even start noticing small opportunities or changes related to your goal. However, it's important to be mindful of common pitfalls. Negative self-talk can easily sabotage your efforts. If you tell yourself that your goal is impossible or that you don't deserve success, those thoughts can undermine the positive ones you're working so hard to create. Work on challenging those negative beliefs. Replace them with positive, affirming thoughts. And remember, consistency is everything. Some may try this technique for a few days, see no immediate results, and give up. But rewiring your brain and deeply ingrained beliefs takes time. Impatience can also be a stumbling block. While some might see results quickly, for most, the manifestations occur gradually. You may notice small changes before the big shifts happen. Celebrate those small wins. They are signs that you're on the right track. Remember, the 100 times technique isn't about sitting back and waiting for things to magically happen. It's about aligning your thoughts, beliefs, and actions with your goals. Keeping a manifestation journal can help you stay focused. Write down your goal, describe your visualizations, and track any changes you notice in your life. Reflecting on your progress can be motivating and reveal patterns you might have missed otherwise. And don't forget, setbacks are normal. Life doesn't always follow our perfect plans, but those challenges can help us grow. Use them as learning experiences. Lastly, remember that imagination alone isn't enough. You need to take action when opportunities arise. The more you align your thoughts with your actions, the closer you'll get to manifesting your dreams. So why not give the 100 times technique a try? Start with a goal that excites you. Commit to practicing for at least 30 days, and watch as your mindset, and potentially your circumstances, begin to shift. Stay patient, stay consistent, and remember, every thought brings you one step closer to your dream.